What is your message to SRH fans? Tell them again.
Yes. Quiet silence. SRH.
This is the best match that we have witnessed now because we really thoroughly enjoyed.
Big plate of biryani, pour a soup of sambar over it.
We are expecting more from Cummins, but
Was that like a big sigh of relief that Cummins didn't choose to bat first?
That was the good relief that Cummins chose to bowl first.
How angry are you?
So much.
Yeah? Who are you angry with?
Rutraj Gaikwad.
Why? Because he just smacked everyone in SRH.
Yes.
Has RCB derailed your campaign?
I don't think so.
No? You still think playoffs can be made? Today's Sunday, SRH to the opposition. Were you guys expecting more from this game?
Not really. I just wanted a non-clashing game
Okay.
because I'm not ready for heart attack today. I came from all the way from US to watch this.
Ah! Reddit.
I told you that.
You told him. Melville on Reddit. You've got this man.
Sending me on Reddit. I told you on that day that we will win one-sided match with SRH. That's what happened.
Why the hell did SRH not bat the way we wanted them to bat? Or was Deshpande too good with that double wicket over?
I guess the pitch was a bit double-sided. The CSK knew that well better in the first half, which is why they didn't want to lose the wickets and then they started off really well. It has a lot to do with the wickets, but again, such wickets are definitely needed for T20. Otherwise, it's always a 250 plus game, so a bit boring.
What has been the biggest negative? Do you think Rahane is one of them?
See, that's the same thing happened with Daryl Mitchell as well, right? So in the end, they backed him and he did it. So there can be one innings which is needed and he can perform as well. So
It's just that one good game, so I think in couple of games he'll get a one good game and he'll start the momentum.
Oh my god, they are definitely weak. Dhoni? Yeah, Dhoni, yeah! Dhoni, yeah! Dhoni, sir! Oh, we have an RCB fan. What the hell are you doing here? Why are you there? What are you doing? Isala Cup Namde.
क्या कहूँ स्वीटहार्ट हम हर जगह हैं.
And a message to Kavya Maran, she's from here. What do you have to tell her?
Thanks for your expressions, but not in Chennai, okay?
Batting is mostly depending on head and Abhishek. Markham is not performing. They should play Glenn Phillips, I think. It's
Really?
time to play, yeah.
Would you drop Markram?
Yeah.
Come back, Super Kings.
Come back, Super Kings. But I call them as Maharashtra Super Kings because you have Deshpande and Gaikwad. Gaikwad 98, Deshpande 3 wickets.
They are amazing players. Gaikwad.
And Dubey.
We are actually upset because of his. He has missed his century.
I guess it's all Indian players to do with the same that I wouldn't say the way it's to do with. In that way, I can say there are at least 4 or 5 Tamil players who are playing in Gujarat. So I can't do that way. It's going to be the Indian cricket growing everywhere. So happy to see that.
सिर्फ एक मुल्क का नाम सुनाई देता है. Indeed.
This is the place of Rajnikant, who's also a Maharashtrian. Okay, don't forget that.
Gaikwad, right? Making a real statement again. Do you think if he gets another 100 and if he actually gets the orange cap, would you take him for the World Cup?
I mean, it's evident that he needs to be selected, but I don't think the BCCI will, to be honest.
Not at all.
Not at all. I mean, I think of course he deserves a spot. I think he's proved himself already. He's won an orange cap.
I mean, if you see the wickets in Chennai, which is slow, and even in the West Indies, where we'll be playing for a huge part of the World Cup,
Wow, this is proper television, isn't it?
कराची से अंदरून मुल्क. अरे क्या कर रहा है? रोक लेना यार.
How are they going to go in the tournament? Do you think playoffs now?
See, playoffs was. I mean, as I told you earlier, it is never in doubt. It's just a in between hiccup. I think we'll come across that, and we're going to win against PPKs.
Gaikwad got 98, he got out. And people are clapping for Dhoni to come in more than the innings. What do you make of that?
That needs to be considered. But Dhoni is Dhoni, na.
नहीं पाजी, धोनी है.
What was the best part of the game for you?
Watching Dhoni walk out.
But Gaikwad was a 98. Didn't you want him to get his 100?
Yes, I did, but Dhoni is Dhoni.
नहीं पाजी, धोनी है.
Dhoni. You?
Dhoni for life.
But a man scored 98.
But still, Dhoni.
नहीं पाजी, धोनी है.
Dhoni is 5 or Rituraj is 98?
It was 98, of course, because it
Well
was
done.
very good, and the wall that he made after this wicket was very sad for me.
if you see my perspective, I wanted Hunter.
You want
But I also wanted Dhoni.
I was waiting for Dhoni.
You didn't care about Gaikwad, Really?
I was waiting for Dhoni. Yeah.
नहीं यार कुछ भी क्या कुछ भी ऐसा कोई भी बोलेगा तो
I just want to put it out there. It's finally nice to give an English interview after a long time.
Well done,
Mostly
man.
it's
Well
been,
done.
just screening.
It's not easy.
CSK and all of that.
It's crazy. We come here doing our jobs and we get eaten alive by the other Tamil channels. And look at all the CSK fans over here gathering.
I mean, what I knew about you only in the last match. I went through all your Instagram and all this thing. It's very informative, very knowledgeable as well. In fact, I loved it. And beyond all those, you featured me and you trended me in Reddit. So I love cricket.com.
Oh, well done. Super. Enjoy yourself. What a lad. Subscribe right now if you want to be him.
Yeah.